speakers and dear friends. A very good afternoon to all of you. As my first introductory session, I thought I'll introduce you to the journey of my life and to something which has always remained constant throughout my life: change. It is said that a good traveler is one who has absolutely no fixed plans. 9 educational institutions, 10 cities, and 5 jobs later, I think I totally fit the bill. One of the most simplest of questions that people get asked about their life is one of the most toughest of questions of my life. Where are you from? Well, born to a Gujarati mother who hails from the lovely city of Rajkot in Saurashtra and a Konkani father who was born and brought up in Kerala, I have spent a good part of my life moving cities, changing schools, learning new languages, adapting to new culture and making new friends. My dad, who is a banker, was placed in Rajkot, Gujarat when he actually met my mom, and as they said, the rest is history. Today I stand speak in front of you. I can speak in Hindi, English, Gujarati, Konkani, Tamil. I can understand Kannada very well, and I can manage myself in Marathi as well. A good part of I started my schooling from the lovely city of Ahmedabad in Gujarat. And as a toddler, as a kid, before I could even get adjusted to the daily routines of going to a school, I found myself in Baroda. My dad always ensured one thing about my life, schooling life I would say. He tried to put me in CBSE schools because two things always remained constant about it. They almost always had a similar style of teaching and stuff. And second, they almost always had a group of kids who belonged to a nomadic tribe like ours. Two other things which always remained constant throughout my schooling life were the fact that no matter which city and which school I was trying to get admission into, I always had to write an entrance exam. And no matter how well I wrote in an entrance exam, my dad always had to pay a donation. So it didn't really matter. I remember a funny incident when my dad was posted in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. My dad was trying to get me admitted to St. Paul's, which was a very good CBSE school back then in Gwalior. And as always, I had to write an entrance exam. And back then as a kid, I did not know how to write in Hindi. So my mom prepped me up, with a few quick lessons on Hindi, few letters. And that's all she could do in the short time that we had. So here I was sitting in the entrance exam for St. Paul's and trying to attempt a question, Hindi poetry. And the best I could write or think of was Jana, Gana, Mana, Jai, Jai, Jai. Those 2 lines I could write. And yeah, of course I didn't get admitted into St. Paul's. Next year I could because I learned Hindi in a year. After Gwalior in Madhya Pradesh, my dad was posted in Dharwad, Karnataka for 2 years. And then we were back to Baroda again for 4-5 years. Then I came to Chennai. I did my engineering from Chennai. I did my engineering in IT from Anna University. Post my engineering, I was campus recruited with this company called Hexaver Technologies. So from Chennai, it was back to Bombay. So I worked in Bombay for about a year and a half, one of the toughest phases of my life, adapting to Bombay and the fast pace of the city and the hardship that Bombay has to offer to people. But I love Bombay today. Anyways, after spending about a year and a half with Hexaver Technologies in Bombay, I was given this opportunity to work in the US for about a year. And as expected, I pounced on the opportunity. I said, yes, I will go. And there I was in the US. So 2007 was one of the most happening years of my life that I spent in the US. It introduced me to a whole new world. I remember it had a very profound